want to, first of all, to apologise to the visitors from abroad and the locals, because there's a lot of hometown humour, I hope, humour in the song, which may be lost, but it's based on a well-known similar occasion, and because the original version was leaked to the press, and I had a lot of letters from solicitors, and because of which I had to rewrite it several times, you know, only yesterday finishing the event, so I have to read from the prompts because I couldn't have time to remember, you know, all the words on it, so I prayed for indulgence. I also want to apologise for the mess in my hair here. I didn't get my hairspray. Jerry Gagan promised faithfully that he would bring me his, and you see he hasn't, you know, so, and I wonder why, you know. So here we are, so to a tune that you'll all know well, and I hope we get the rhythm right, that's the main thing. Right. So, we all know the McDonoughs in the place called Ahaband. They built a lovely house and the party then was planned. So they sent an invitation to neighbours, families all, as how they'd like their company this evening out of all. And when we mailing out, they were careful to suggest to us that if we had musicians, 2 or 3 or more, the more we joined in, whenever they requested it, the better would the music be for battering the floor. And the fiddle on the pillow, like a hare, the fiddle up, hands around across the fiddle wall. Oh, happy beat the gaiety at McDonough's ball. Now there's young Eugene O'Riordan, who comes from Connachrow. He's come here today cause he's nothing better to do. He's a man who loves a party, but for goodness sake, this is too late, don't ask him to sing or he'll keep the West away. And here we have Crunchiest from Deerathcool. He's looking very worried because Fred Bartley's jokes are cruel. So he gathered all his children and grandchildren too, and gave them strict instructions on what they had to do. Sean and Kathleen are here for lovely claim. The reason why they came is easy to explain. They both enjoy the party, and Sean, I'll bet, will sing awful fun, so that once in Spain he met with the There are some here from a place called Ballymoney, and in Tony Square it's the land of milk and honey. Sheila and Veronica are closer to the glory. If they're up in the trunk, well, that's another story. The 2 Pat Daltons are here in their glad rags, but still there's no sign of Mickey the Bags. Martina's here with her husband Jerry. The way they're behaving, someone check the sherry with the 2 guys. Now I'm glad that that's the end of that. I hope the voice didn't go too flat. Apologies to all who didn't get a mention, but to fit you all in would need a bar extension.
Remarkable Crunchiest, more long to you. Pat Dalton.